Who are your real Facebook friends? Did you know you can adjust your Facebook friend status level? Facebook friends levels you must know. 1. Public. Anyone can see your post. 2. Friends. You can share your post with friends. 3. Friends accept. You can share your post with specific people, but not all of your friends. 4. Only you. You can share your post with only yourself. 5. Specific friends. You can share your post with specific people. 6. Custom. You can share your post with specific people, but not all of your friends. 7. Acquaintances. You can share less with people in this list, and you can exclude them when you post. 8. Close friends. Friends you want to share exclusively with. 9. Restricted. People you have added as a friend, but don't want to share with, like your boss. Remember, all your Facebook friends might not need to see all your posted information. Be selected. Use your privacy rights. Subscribe to stay updated.